Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us for this live with our CEO and founder, Cindy Fossouo. Cindy, it's such an extraordinary honor to have you with us here today. Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Dana.
So let's just dive deep. Let's just go and cut to the chase. Can you tell us more about Information Systems Builder platform? What is it used for, and how is it actually helping tech startups to grow?
So Information Systems Builder, we take care of tech startups with all of the problems that they are encountering when they're facing with marketing and branding. We know that tech startups, especially big companies and small companies, they have a really hard time with their marketing, especially those early ones, right? No one knows you have a great product, you have a great technology, but people don't know about it. You have to get it out there to your target audience, to your niche, and make sure that they understand the services that you're bringing, whether it's the technology or, so Information Systems Builder, that's where we come in. We help tech startups get their name out there, marketing, branding. And we know that, especially those early startups, they don't have a lot of help like big tech companies have in terms of just with the marketing, in terms of getting people to help them, a team of marketing specialists. So that's when we come in and we say, okay, we will help you guys. So we've created a software which is available on Apple right now on the App Store. And all they have to do is just type ISB Solutions and they go in there, they download it, they log in, they put all the information about the company. We don't ask deep. I know there's a lot of questions that we've been receiving about, is it deep questions like personal company information? No, we just ask you, what is your company name, your technology, you describe what services you're providing to people, and then we come up with strategies. The software comes out. So you put your data, and then the AI comes out, and then you have results, and it brings strategies. You get results in 48 hours. You get strategies on how exactly to execute for your tech startups. For example, we have a lot of features. So you get into the app and there's a lot of features. You choose whatever feature you feel like you're struggling with. And let's say you're struggling with competitors. We have a competitor feature. You're struggling with your competitors because we found out a problem. A lot of tech startups, they come out with great technology, but they have a lot of competition. Startups are being created every single day. You're competing with them. You're competing with big tech companies that are already established, already have a name, already have a reputation, have big teams, big budget. So sometimes you can compete with them. But ISB comes and we say, don't worry, we'll help you with that. We'll help yourself differentiate from all of the big companies, the companies that are being created every day that are doing similar as you. So we come in and we say, okay, we're going to help you. So you put the information, and the software will come out with in 48 hours strategies in terms of, okay, this is your competition. This is what you need to do to differentiate yourself. And that's when that's when we come in and our marketing specialist helps you execute with what the results came with, because you could have the results, but if you don't know, because at Information Systems Builder, we are just helping, and we're here for tech startups and for tech companies. So our job is we are trained to help you with the specific problems that you're encountering. And we know how, okay, we know your problem. Because if someone knows your problems, they know how to help you, resolve the problems, right? You can't ask just anybody, because I think sometimes people think, oh, marketing, I can do marketing, or this person could do marketing. But if you don't have the right team to help you with marketing, they won't really help you, right? If you know that, okay, this is my niche, this is my target audience, but you don't know how to target them, how to message them, how to tell them about the story of your startup, it's not going to work. So I think that's what makes us different. And that's why a lot of people have been loving our software, because we are helping tech startups. We know the problems that they are encountering and the difference. So all the problems that they're encountering would be the features, right? Where they go and they say, oh, I'm struggling with this. I just go put my company's information and it gives you the results, and ISB comes and they help you execute with those results.
Okay, wow, that sounds fantastic. And okay, from the moment that we put those informations into the application till the moment when we see first results, how long does it usually take?
So I think with branding and marketing and messaging, a lot of people think, oh, 1 month, 3 weeks, we're going to see results. But with branding, marketing, and messaging, it takes time, right? You need to build an audience. You need to build the trust of clients. You need to build. So there's a lot that goes in. So I would say with 3 to 6 months, that's when you would see results, right? We need to go in there, work all the time, and just make sure that your messaging is correct, your marketing is correct, all the plan is correct. So 3 to 6 months is when startups will start seeing results.
That's fantastic. Well, and that's relatively short, given the time that how much time they would spend if they were out to implement that by themselves. And
Absolutely.
usually trial and error, and here they already have experts, helping them to establish
Absolutely.
themselves.
Absolutely.
That's brilliant. And what about the accessibility, right? I know we are at the App Store, we're there, but are we coming out on the Google Market anytime soon, for the Android users? How are we on that front?
Yes, we want to make sure that this is available for everyone. So yes, it will be available for Android users very soon, very, very soon. Yes.
Thank you so much. I mean, and this is basically it. Thank you so much for coming today. And I know that the listeners and the viewers are going to appreciate this one. And you guys, if you're currently building or try to grow your tech startup, come to us. Information System Builder Solution, Systems Builder Solution is waiting for you.
Yes,
Thank you.
and I just want to add, I think our information systems builder, we're different because we know the struggles of tech startups. We know that when you're starting a company, those struggles that you have in terms of, because you could have the reason why I founded this company, Information Systems Builder, is because I had a lot of friends that were founders, right? Tech founders. And they all had similar problems. And all of the similar problems were they had great products, they had great technology that they built, but it's like you can't just stay home and think people are going to love it, right? You have to tell us a story. You have to tell us, why is this good? Why should I buy this, right? And I think that when I saw the common problem with all of my friends that were founders, acquaintances that I thought were founders, or I would go to events and I would meet CEOs and they had the same problem. And I said, okay, I need to help you guys because as founders, which I can relate, we have a lot on our plate. It's just not, one thing. You are dealing with so many things. So I think a lot of founders, and I've been getting some founders and tech startups have already been using our software, and we've been getting great feedback. So I think this one would be great. For right now, we're just giving our software to our clients. In the near future, and when I say future, I mean 5 months from now, we'll have it for the public. But yeah, just go and check out the software and come to ISB if you are a tech startups, and let's help you. We know your struggle. We know what you go through, and we know the different problems, and we have specialists here to help you with that exact problem.
I wouldn't put it better. And of course I wouldn't, because you're the CEO and the founder. And this was our Cindy Fossouo. Thank you so much for watching, and come to ISB Solutions soon.
Thank you. Bye.